In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use the Jira Assistant extension for faster work logging, dashboard tracking, and reporting inside your browser. If you regularly log hours in Jira, update sprint progress, or keep an eye on multiple project timelines, you already know that doing everything manually in the native interface can slow you down. This extension helps simplify that process by bringing key actions into a more visual and efficient workspace. To begin, open your preferred browser and go to its extension marketplace, such as the Chrome Web Store, Firefox add-ons, or Edge add-ons. In the search bar, type Jira Assistant and open the extensions listing page. From there, click the install button or the option that says Add to Browser, then approve the requested permissions. After a few moments, the extension should appear in your browser toolbar. Once the installation is complete, click the Jira Assistant icon near the top right corner of your browser. This opens the setup screen. To connect the extension to your Jira workspace, enter your Atlassian site address in the format shown on screen, then continue. Next, sign in to your Atlassian account and generate an API token. This token acts as a secure key that allows the extension to communicate with your Jira data without exposing your password. Paste the token into the extension and click Connect. After authentication, you'll be taken to the main Jira Assistant dashboard. This is where you can manage work logs and review activity more easily. On the left side, look for the navigation menu and select work logs. This opens the interactive calendar-style work log grid, which gives you a clear view of your logged time across dates and tasks. To log time directly from the grid, move to the cell for today's date and open the entry window. In the ticket field, enter the issue key for the task you worked on. Then add the amount of time spent, write a brief comment describing the work, and save the entry. The extension will sync that information back to Jira automatically. There's also a quicker option when you're already browsing Jira, GitHub, or GitLab. If you see an issue key on the page, right-click it, open the Jira Assistant menu, and choose an action like logging work or adding the issue to your custom dashboard. This is especially useful when you want to capture time or organize tasks without breaking your flow. Before you finish for the day, return to the dashboard and review your reporting widgets and work log entries. Make sure your time totals, issue links, and visual summaries all look accurate. That final check helps you catch mistakes early and keeps your sprint data reliable. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.